Rachel here from theconfusedmillennial.com, and today I am joined by my lovely husband, Eric.
Hello.
And this video is presented by Safety First, and we are going to be talking all about the RIVA Flex Stroller Travel System, comparing the new mom perspective to the new dad perspective. And if you missed it, I did a full video that's in my channel, and I'll link it below in the description box, where I'm assembling the stroller and kind of going through my first initial impressions. So definitely go back and check that out. So today we are talking about what the first time dad is looking for versus the first time mom in a stroller, how the RIVA Flex holds up to it, and also getting his initial impressions as he actually gets to touch a stroller for the first time ever.
It's mind-blowing.
So, what were you looking for in a stroller?
Well, the first thing is I had to figure out what you use a stroller for beyond taking them for walks. So we got past that.
No, we actually didn't get past that because I told him I wouldn't answer it until we got on the video. He was legit like, other than walking them, what do you use a stroller for? So what do you think you use a stroller for?
So for me, I guess taking them around stores.
What stores do you go to?
Trader Joe's.
Okay. The grocery store?
I don't shop much. I do a lot of grocery shopping.
I mean, in the early days, they have doctor's appointments like every week, I think.
Okay.
So you would take them to like the doctor's appointment, you take them, like your stroller isn't something they just have the first 6 months. They have it for years, like Disney World, all that fun stuff.
Okay, cool.
You use a stroller for it.
Well, I do a lot of the driving, so based on that example, I want something that's lightweight. I haven't been working out much, and easy to get in and out of a car. And personally, something we talked about a little bit a while ago, you know, she has like 1,800 boxes that get delivered to our house every day. And so we already have cardboard box forts, you know, set up around the house. So for me, it's reducing clutter. So something that can easily fold up that I don't have to leave like open, taking up more space.
Yeah, and I mean, what I was looking for is a little bit different. I don't do most of the driving, so getting it in and out of the car, that's more his forte. Obviously, I probably do want it to be lightweight because, like, you never know when you're going to have to lift it up with some stairs or something like that. And I have the upper body strength of a kitten. I'm not even joking. I've literally been walking around the house with 3-pound weights and, like, flour bags to prepare for holding a child because I just have the upper body strength of a kitten right now. That's where I'm at in my life. And so with that kind of said, lightweight was also important to me. Easy to fold. That was like, if I could find one at a great price point, that would be fantastic. But the reality is like, I'm a chaotic slob. Like, I'm just being honest about who I am as a person. Getting me to fully close a drawer is a struggle, and I'm sure he can attest to that.
About. So
the reality of how often I would actually fold a stroller is probably pretty slim. And, you know, self-standing was a feature that a lot of people would always talk to me about. Again, if I'm not folding it, I'm probably not self-standing it too often, just being honest about who I am as a person. I think those are things he cares more about because he's always yelling at me for the boxes that are lining our front doorway or lining our garage entrance. So I think being able to fold a stroller that would typically end up in those places so he doesn't keep scolding me is probably a good thing.
Fact. I just thought of something. It needs to be dummy proof. I'm a little bit absent-minded at times, and I don't do well following instructions. Like an IKEA manual is like the bane of my existence. So I just need something that can like click in, easy to fold. I don't need instructions, and like I don't multitask. So if like there's like 2 things happening at once, I need to be able to just do it without a lot of thought.
Okay. So with that said, easy to turn, like a one-handed turn was something that a lot of people told me to look for, which I really like because I don't carry a purse. He's usually my merce, and So being able to turn the stroller with one hand while I have, you know, something else in it is probably something that I'll experience quite often. With that said, the thing that's typically in my hand is my reusable cup. I don't use a reusable water bottle with a screw top because I really like having my aluminum straw. So having a cup holder that I can actually put that in there because I can't just throw my water bottle in like the basket underneath the stroller was really important to me. And with that said, having a large basket, because again, he's usually my nurse. Babies come with a lot more stuff than I would typically carry with me. So having a large basket to store all that was really important to me.
Yeah, having a basket was important to me too. I don't like carrying stuff, despite her giving me all her stuff as her nurse. It's all stuff that I can still shove in pockets. I don't like handling things.
You don't like handling things?
I like handling some things. I don't like holding things for long periods of time. So having something that I can having something that I can put whatever I'm supposed to be holding into is fantastic.
That is typically how baskets work, so I'm really glad.
Yeah. So they check that off.
Cup holders.
Yeah, it's, you know, I'm a little indifferent towards it. It's a nice little luxury feature. But
yeah. Easy turn, was that important to you?
Super important to me. I already turned like a Boeing 747, so having something that I can easily maneuver around, perfect.
Truth. All right, so with that kind of said, I think, you know, he's definitely looking for more lightweight, easy to fold, self-standing, very practical things. I'm looking for more luxury things, sun canopy, cup holders, large storage basket, easy to turn. And a lot of, you know, he also really wanted a travel system. I was kind of indifferent initially to the travel system solely because I actually really did want a travel system, but a lot of the ones that I was finding that were checking off all the things we just mentioned were like $1,000. So when we came across the RIVA Flex, we were super excited because it comes in at about a third of the price. And it checks off all of those things that like we both actually really wanted.
Yeah, that's huge.
So we ended up with a travel system. I know he really wanted it because of the easy transition from a car to the street with the car seat that comes with it. I really liked it because it actually comes with the carriage setting. A lot of like the travel systems out there, you'll have to buy like a separate bassinet that would clip into the stroller frame. This, your actual stroller seat converts into the carriage. So you already have it in there, one solid purchase at a third of the price of a lot of the other travel systems that check off all these kind of boxes that we were looking for. So with that, let's get your hands on a stroller for the first time. So one other feature I forgot to mention that was really important to me is being able to put the baby forward facing or reverse facing, so it's facing the parents, us in this case. So as you can see, Eric's demonstrating easy turn. But that was also like one of my top features because we live in a beach town, sun, wind, sand, all that fun stuff. I really, when we're walking alongside the beach, I really wanted that. Was that important to you?
I like it.
Okay.
I like it a lot.
Why don't you start actually
smooth.
You can stop dancing and you can start trying out the stroller.
You want to take this out. You got to keep it super easy. See that? Pop it like a Pringle.
And this is his first time doing any of this stuff. It's really an easy stroller to set up. He watched me go through this all in the previous video I did on the RIVA Flex. But this is his first time actually handling it.
Yep.
You have to take off the car seat adapters first. Oh. So it comes with these car seat adapters here that you'll go ahead.
Well, clearly.
And push that in and it slides up.
Push what in?
Push that little thing. Nope, the one.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Well, clearly this is authentic first time. I got this. They call this a stroller seat, right? Not a car seat?
Yeah, that's a stroller seat. Car seat's over there.
So I'm going to put this in. Dumb improvement.
Double click.
Double click.
Sigh of relief.
So what's the deal? Are they stuck in this position? Or can I lazy boy them?
You can lazy boy them.
I can lazy boy them. So, is it these up here?
Yep.
All right, so we go full.
Well, why don't you turn it so the people can see what the heck you're doing?
So I just pinch these together, and then we go full recline. Decline? Decline.
It's called a recline. But you, I mean, you wouldn't go full recline unless you're actually converting that to a carriage seat. So why don't you try doing that while you have it in full recline?
Do what?
Convert the stroller seat to the carriage.
What's the carriage?
Drop it back down.
Okay.
Take off the bumper bar.
Oh, that's easy. Okay.
Unclip. There's a clip behind the foot part. See how it's like making it nice and formed?
Here?
Yeah, there's a clip underneath that.
Underneath?
Yeah.
Okay, I got a clip.
Unclip it.
Okay.
Push it down.
What?
Go to
How cool is that?
Turn the stroller so it's facing me. No, the other way. And then go underneath there. It would probably be easier to do this when it's not in full recline, yeah. And you're just gonna unclip that and then slide it all the way down. And now,
then I push?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Why don't you show a side shot for everyone?
What, like this?
Like turn it, yeah.
Or like flip it?
No. That's it. That's the carriage.
This is super cool. I love this. Okay.
So that's how you would use it if you want to use it as a carriage. Super easy to convert. And then when you're putting it back to a stroller seat, buckling the part underneath and pulling the top part off. Pulling the top part as tight as it'll go again.
Okay.
And then adjusting your recline to wherever you'd like it.
Okay. This is great. I love this. Okay. This is super cool. I don't think we touched on this because
that's a large underbasket.
that is a large underbasket.
Yeah. It really
I can hold a lot of stuff in there and I'm loving it. That's super cool. And then I got easy braking. And then I both. Now it's locked in. She's not going anywhere.
And we have my cup holders.
We got the cup holders, which I'm a little indifferent about, but that's her nice little luxury item. And then we come home from the walk, and boom! You see that? Super easy.
Could you have done that one-handed?
I could do it one-handed.
Why don't you show people?
Challenge accepted. So.
Is it lightweight?
I mean, I can pick it up, can't I? That means it's lightweight. Because I can't pick up anything heavy. I think my dog, that's 15 pounds, is about as heavy as this or heavier. So we're going in. What? One-handed supreme. I just need to stabilize.
Nice. Just like that.
That's the look of a champion right there.
And if you don't hold it, will it self-stand? Ta-da!
It's magical.
All right, you guys. So there you have it. First time dad handling a stroller for the very first time. How was it for you?
I give it a 10.
Why do you give it a 10?
Well, I mean, dude, I executed everything. And it checked off, like, everything that I think I've been looking for. Again, I won't 100% know until I have a baby, but what I perceive to be my most important needs, the RIVA checks it off.
What's it called? Yeah, so I had not let him touch the stroller previously. He watched me go through the assembly, unboxing, and my initial thoughts of it in the previous video. So make sure to go check that out if you haven't already. But he did that all with no instruction manual, and obviously you heard me walking him through parts of it. So it's really easy to set up, super easy to use, lightweight, brakes, large storage basket, easy turning, cup holders. There is an additional sun canopy that it comes with that we didn't show you guys. All that really good stuff.
Super smooth. I like the way it feels.
lift with one hand, easy stand. And you guys can now find the RIVA Flex at Target and as well as other major baby retailers. I'll leave a link for that, shopping it, in the description box below. If you guys have any other questions, make sure to just leave me a comment. And until next time, currently we're at 8 months, so maybe you'll be here soon.